Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So unfortunately, some more bad news for Honda and Acura owners. And this one just seems to be getting worse and worse for the same exact vehicles. There was already some bad news about them, but this is kind of the icing on the cake for this one. So I wanted to share this with you guys because it's very important that you know about this if you own one and you get it taken care of right away. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what's going on and how you can protect yourself. Like I said, this just gets worse and worse for Honda because we've seen a lot of problems over the last few years and it just seems to ramp up. So Honda just issued another recall. And what makes this even worse, it's on actually two discontinued vehicles, one by Honda and one by Acura. So this recall affects the 2024 and 2025 Honda Prologue, and then the Acura variant of it, the 2024 Acura ZDX, which was the only year they made the ZDX, was that 1 year, 2024. And if you're not aware, that Honda pulled the plug on their full electric vehicles, so the Prologue and ZDX aren't made anymore. What makes this more interesting is the number that are affected by this. So the 2025 Honda Prologue, it affects 44,199 units. And then the 2024 Acura ZDX, it affects 15,688. And it might seem like a small number, but you have to remember that the Prologue was built in 2024 and 2025. And then the ZDX was only built in 2024. And they didn't even sell many of these vehicles. So in reality, it's close to 65,000 vehicles. That's probably the majority on the road right now. Because like I said, that's part of why they scrapped that idea, because no one was buying them. So the reason for this recall has to do with the backup camera. And we've seen this recall, I swear, in different models over the years. But for this one in particular, the backup camera can just stop working or start being glitchy. And the reason for this is the improper pre-treatment of the camera housing can make the adhesive that holds it together to fail and separate. And then if this happens, moisture can get in between there and corrode the electrical components. And so then it can start getting blurry and eventually it'll fail if it corrodes all the way through. And you might be seeing other vehicles with the same recall, especially the Chevrolet Blazer EV and the Cadillac Lyriq, because they share a lot of the same parts that the Prologue and ZDX have. So far there's no recall on it, but you might see that in the future since it's shared between them, since GM was kind of working together with Honda on these. So if you have one of those, if you have one of the Blazer EVs or the Lyriq, you might want to pay attention to it because this could be coming up in the next couple months. The good news here is that the company Sharp has updated the housing treatment and improved the process, how they bond it together. So there's revised cameras are already in production. So the dealers already have all the parts for them to fix this. So letters are scheduled to go out July 6th, though almost a month away from now. But like I always say, I would contact your dealers if you have a Prologue or a ZDX and see if you fall under that category to get the new camera installed. Of course, it's free of charge as always, but like I always say, I would get it done ASAP, especially since they don't make this vehicle anymore. You kind of want to get all this stuff fixed when they have the parts, because there's no telling just the way things have been going, if they're going to have a shortage on parts or anything like that going forward. So I would just call the dealer ASAP and see. Like I said, they'll look up your VIN number if you're affected, make an appointment, it's free. She'll only take a couple hours once they have the part in stock to install it for you. And it's definitely important because it's a safety thing with your backup camera. If you're used to using it, like most of us are, and it goes black all of a sudden while you're in the process of backing up somewhere, you could definitely have an accident or hit something. So definitely don't let this go, just take care of it. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.